Good morning and good evening. Welcome back to the stream. I hope you're having a lovely day today. Today, I'm going to continue working on the stat system, I guess, for the game. Um, Last time, I wrote a little bit of an outline talking about what are going to be the states of hunger that are going to determine just how quickly you recover stamina, health, and also how quickly it depletes in case hunger is too low. I also talked about, well, what kind of goals is that going to be? Where is it going to be happening? So it's going to be happening in a module. I kind of investigated the idea of having another state for it, just for tracking stats, but didn't really make that much sense. So yeah, now we are going to try adding it, just having the basic stat system, having it tick, and then seeing where it goes from there. So let's get right to it. So first things first, I guess. Just gonna take a quick look at what I wrote down last time. So yeah, so this is the do the upper part, I guess. Not that not that interested in the upper part. Let's take a look at the bottom part. So yeah, this is basically written what happens. Just gonna scroll that so it's easier to read. And yeah, so it's this part that I guess is the most important part right now. So it's gonna be about modules, goals, conditions, actions, rest, eat, repeat, profit. So I guess let's start with module then. One second. Right, back. So module. Module collector, module dropper, module extension, movable. Um, hmm. Statable. That doesn't sound right. Module stats. Sleeper under. Growable, evolvable. Let's just say module stats. Why not? If I get a better idea for it, I will add it later. So, wow, I'm actually. It has been such a long time since I've done anything with the module system that, yeah, damn. Okay, yeah, module sleeper doesn't even really exist as a thing. But yeah, I guess I can just use. Wait, no, module sleeper. This is even old. Wow. Okay, yeah, this is very old. Module extensions. This isn't used either. Okay. Oh right. I also thought I might just make a commit here. Better late than never, since I was just thinking that it should be nice to have finished up here. Base stats contents. So what did I do? Hungry, hunger, dropper. Um, Added state constants. Yeah. Okay, this I can push. Okay. Yeah. that's done. Right, so let's get back to here. So module extensions, from what I see, is absolutely empty. And I am expecting that this is the case. Attribute list. Extensions. So like body extensions? I don't remember. Okay, let's say pickupper. Oh, this is a copy. But okay, let's just go to module base and static func set default. Okay, yeah. And state. Okay, let's say, let's take this. Let's open up. Oh, don't need that. Let's open up the stats module. Space this here. Extends module base. There we go. So we have the initial one. So stats is not going to be a finite state machine. That's for certain. No. Then it's stats are going to need to be parsed, but stats are going to be parsed by the goal. I don't know. No, I guess I can just, I already have it in it, so cool. Here I'm gonna initialize all of my initialize all my stats. So I just go object dot object data constant s equal to preload stat. That's constants. There. S dot S dot. Okay, yeah, let's have the stats constants. Stat constants. So I do have a hunger state. I have a hunger plot. Yeah, so this one is not doing anything then. Okay. Right. So I guess hunger state is gonna be, this is not hunger state, this is still M, so hunger. Yeah. Your max state. So hunger, it's gonna be, let's just say we start hunger with what's gonna be the max? I either change how quickly hunger depletes. Since if I change, I don't have to check the max. I have to check the rate of decrease, or I can say that the rate decreases the same always, but the max is different. It's basically the same. So let's just keep it simple. So hunger is 100. Hunger max is gonna be 100. So hunger state is gonna be, wait, no, it's going to be 75. Max is going to be 100. Yeah, so being in the range of stats constants. So being in the range of so I guess this is from 100 to 81. This is from 80 to 61. This is from 60 to 41. This is from 40 to 21. This is from 20 to 0. Yeah, and at 0, it's bad. 0, bad. Oh, forgot to add comment. There you go. Ah, okay. Okay, that's done. So, hunger is gonna be s dot hunger state dot so stats module. Yeah, let's go. Static func. Hunger to state. Hunger int s dot hunger state return right. So if I want that kind of distribution, then I would say um, so I want these answers. I want 4, 3, 2, 1. Mm, so 4 would be at top. So then I want this divided by 20. This divided by 20 because max. Okay, so our gap is equal to object dots hunger max. Yeah, okay. Is equal to hunger max divided by s dot hunger state dot count. Okay. Okay, then I return. So if I say I have 120, so I have 5. So I have 5, so I go minus 1. Uh-huh. So that's what I would get for. Then that would be a 3, so that's rounded up to the top always. Yeah. And then if it goes to 0, there's always going to be a negative. Okay, yeah. I guess I'm just going to round up. So ceiling int, turning the smallest whole number not less than x, a type safe version of ceil, returning an int. Okay. So I just do gap. So hunger divided by gap. And then I want to do, so that always returns me a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. Yeah. I guess I can then just have a state, a hunger state. Oh. Hmm. Okay, that's the opposite then. Hmm. Yeah, let's do the opposite then. Oh wait, no, this is just a plot. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, empty, and then yeah, this count is gonna be 6, no 5. Empty. Dying. I guess dead. If that reaches it, if this reaches that point. Okay, I guess I'll just return to. So I guess 0. So it can be negative. Wait, yeah, so that's just gonna give 0, right? So wait, if I have 0 hunger and I divide it by that, I get -1. Ceiling, I get -1 still. Okay, and if I have, I can add a little bit and subtract a little bit. Yeah. Does that work out? Subtracting a little bit. Um, Means that that comes in later. But that then makes it so that's closer to -1. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to map this out and not really working out. Yeah, like if it was -0.9 instead of -1. Since that is just plots better. I guess I just do a hunger max of 99 and then just less mapping in general. Yeah, it goes from 0 to that, so at the max 100, so hunger can't go below 1. No, it can't go below 0, yeah. Doesn't make sense, from 0 to 100. Okay, yeah, let's just do clamp I -1. So the minimum is 0. The maximum is that hunger state dot count. Sure. This is just because if we have like ultra max hunger or something. Okay. Am I done with that? Okay, done with that. Cool. Don't need a 0 state. Just gonna be still empty. So we have hunger to state. So we're gonna do hunger to state here. 75. Max is 100. Okay. And then, so I've added the data points now. Now I have to do all the processing. So let's also add stamina then at the same time. So in module constants, stamina, I haven't added stamina, so yes, constant stamina equal to stamina. Constant stamina max. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. And now stamina, let's say object data is equal to 1,000. Everyone starts off with 1,000 stamina. And then stamina decreases. Stamina decrease changes. Think that makes sense? The max can also change, maybe. Why not? Why not? Why not? So, now what I do? Now I just need to process it. So, um, hmm. Sure, let's say for testing purposes, stamina. Would be the stamina is equal to stamina minus. I hope this works. 1.0 f divided by 60. No, 1.0 f doesn't work. 1.0. Yeah, hopefully that's just the float. Yeah, so now this gets ticked by 60 every second. Wait, no, I should actually be using delta time. Since delta time, how much was done? So just subtracting delta time would do so that every second this decreases by 1. I want this to be even slower. I want this to be every minute it decreases by 1. So I'm going to say minus 60. There. And then sure, let's do 100, 1,000. Start off pretty good. Yeah. Then let's say hunger, hunger. Right, and then minus delta. Our hunger is equal to and then hunger is equal to hunger, and then object dot data but wait, that's no there's no point to this. It's just better to process this not as frequently. Yeah. Hmm. won't it look weird if most characters, but how often will two characters be in the same state, like at the exact same values? Since their max down is done different, might be different, and everything is going to be different. So we need a slow process here. Timer, no timer. Okay, I have an idea. Let's go to base unit. Process. Okay, let's say we have a process, right? Oh, but this still is gonna process, but since we have the attribute, but maybe I can do something of a slow process. Hmm. Mm. Scripts, slow scripts, maybe something like that, so then I can just iterate over the scripts. Like how do this here for scripts. I can just do the same thing for slow scripts and only do it after every certain amount of frames, every minute, let's say. Every half a minute. Yeah, that makes more sense. Just say every second I could tick, and that would already be a lot better. Hmm. Okay, yeah, let's just say it like that. Let's try it out. This is the experimentation stage, so let's try out to see if it works. Actually enjoy it. Constant, slow scripts. I don't like the slow scripts part. Though, module base. Yeah. Whatever. This can be fixed most definitely just by doing some refactoring. Like it's fixable. It's grunt work, but it's purely an optimization thing. I think. In which part? Plus. Yeah. I think it's gonna be fine. Static func slow process object delta float related delta. Yes. second. Separate. Hey, final turn. Nice to see you back again. I'm doing pretty great. I had a pretty difficult stream yesterday since I didn't really understand what I was doing. And just, I don't know, trying to figure out how to do stats while my head is completely in the goal system was a bit difficult, but I think I'm going pretty good. On the other hand, I had a really fun game yesterday of Vampire the Masquerade. We were doing the tabletop RPG version, and we had the worst luck I have ever seen in my life. I haven't played a lot of tabletop RPGs, but I've played a lot of board games and just, I guess, games in general. But boy, oh boy, I think so. I don't know if you're familiar with the Vampire Masquerade luck system, but basically you roll six-sided dice, and then if you get ones, it's like really, really bad. If you get sixes, it's really, really good. So we basically didn't really get any sixes. I did, but my two party members didn't. Like maybe there were two cases where they got lucky, and that lucky wasn't even that much lucky. My fiance managed to get 5 ones, which is very unlucky. That's a 1 in 7,776 chance to happen. And yeah, at the end of it, we were all like, yeah, the plot was great. We had a really, really nice DM. Our friend was running it. The plot was great. The characters were great. The fun was great. But the luck was terrible. Absolutely terrible. So, yeah, that's kind of it for me. How are you doing? How's the game looking? I'm doing all right, working on a few more changes, and then probably going to post a progress vid tomorrow. Nice, nice. Yeah, good on you. Progress vids would be pretty good. Damn it, I want to start my own videos, but I just either don't get that much time as I like, or I just don't feel like doing more recording. But I guess that's just the fear that if I make some videos, they're gonna take a lot longer to make. But maybe I can do like a mix where I have some that are more higher effort and some that are a little bit simpler. Maybe in the form of shorts. Maybe shorts would be good for simpler videos. It won't be a devlog, just a little teaser like I've been posting. Yeah, like it's. I think that's a great idea. Just having a little teaser. It's fun to watch. It's not too long. You can show it off to like other people who are also interested in game dev, and it's just a nice thing to see. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I think that's a really good idea. And are you working on any kind of, I don't know, deadline or just goal for what you want to, I don't know, have done at a certain point, or is it all um, in the flow? Just whatever you see that's the most needed right now, that's what you do, and then afterwards you switch to a different part of the game. Slow delta delta if slow delta is more than 1, slow delta is equal to 0, and then I go oh wait, no, let's keep like this. So is less than 1, I return. That's it, 0, okay. I have a vision for what I want this game to be like. Nothing too big, just a sweet 2-ish hour experience. My goal is to release this year's. Nice. Nice, damn, that's awesome. Um, I congratulate you on having a goal that is not supposed to be achieved in more than, I don't know, 2 years. Um, yeah, nice. Looking forward to it. Um, yeah, in my hopes and dreams, I'm also hoping that this game is gonna take not more than 2 years. And that's just, I guess, my mentality is that, okay, every 8 months, I'm going to look at what I have, and that's going to inform the next scope of the remaining 8 months. And hopefully, then I'll have something within those 2 years. And looking at it, I'm almost entering the second month. And I'm still in the research phase, but boy, oh boy, I need to pick up the pace. Yeah, I guess 3 months left. Well, no, 4 months since that's the whole of September too. So, yeah. Module base, yeah, slow process, and then I want to give slow delta here, and then slow delta restarts after everything. Okay, yeah, attribute scripts, and then I do the slow process. Okay, so now if I go to the stats module, all of this, static func slow process object delta float slow delta float. Okay. Now I want to try to tackle a smaller game before doing something more ambitious. Yeah, yeah, that is smart. And yeah, from the sounds of things, I think that you definitely want to make it like a pretty much more. Yeah, sorry. Make it a complete game, like the 2 hour experience. That is a good goal. So I imagine it's gonna be well rounded and just I don't know, like finished. Which definitely it's a good idea since I've made quite a lot of little games, but none of them finished to the point where I would say, oh, this is a finished experience. More so, this is a demo, definitely. So, for example, with NanoDev, that one is definitely a demo. At the same time, it was with a team. I didn't know. And then all the other games were more just, oh, okay, this is a proof of concept, but there's definitely something missing. So I am going at a bit of a disadvantage into this one, expecting that this is going to be both a bigger game than anything I've done before, and also it's going to be something that I finish. So yeah, that's going to be tough. I'm curious if before doing something more ambitious, uh, is there or do you have any ideas for what that might be? Like, do you already know that, oh, this is I have this one game that I would really like to make, but first I'm gonna try something smaller, or is it so that okay, I just want to make a game like this, and then after that you're gonna have a new idea, and then you're gonna move on to it. So, just do you already have an idea for the next game you would like to make? I don't think I need an interaction. Destroy. Okay, so hunger. Right. So this is gonna happen every second. So yeah, so if I wanted to increase by one every minute, I guess. Hmm. Wait, no, it decreases. Right now it's going to decrease by 60 every minute. Yeah, so I guess I'll just do slow delta. Slow delta. Yeah, that. Hunger. Hunger is going to be that. Object. Data. Hunger state is going to be equal to hunger to state. Hunger. Okay. So stamina, hunger to state. That's all done. Mm. And then also there's going to be dips. If you have dips in stamina, there's going to be dips in hunger. This is just a passive trickling down of stats. So, now what? Where's my to do? So the module is done. The module kind of works. Goals, conditions, rest. Yeah. Is this enough for this one? Check valid. There's nothing to check here. On this try, I don't have anything to do right now. Oh. So I was actually working on another game before, and I did a few months of deving on it before deciding to shelve it temporarily for this current game. I wanted to use this game to grow as developer since I want the other game to be really well made. Okay, nice. Yeah, definitely that's a great idea. Um, so I guess you reached a point where you saw that okay, there's stuff you haven't seen or you don't yet fully know how to do, and you're going to experiment on a smaller game just to see more of it, and then um, go back to the other game, or I guess maybe even squeeze in another smaller game, or maybe even afterwards. Yeah, that does sound smart, since in a way, just by making this second game, you're gonna have some tooling. Maybe I assume that the games are maybe at least a little bit related, so you could like have some stuff from one go into the other, and then help out that way too, or just refresh your mind and have something else to work on for a bit. Yeah, sorry, I'm maybe over analyzing this a little bit, but I think it's a great idea, and yeah, it's definitely something I wish I'd done with what is it called? Oh, another past game I was working on. I had an idea with a MOBA, um, just an idea for a MOBA, and not an easy game. Not that wouldn't take like a short amount of time to do. And I did make a pretty nice demo, just something where okay, I have like the the most basic loop of how the game would work, uh, and that that kind of worked. And I liked the idea of it, and I think that I could go further with it, but I am not making a MOBA anytime soon. Like, I would even say that this game, even though I would think it's much, much more complex than the MOBA, just has a better chance of getting done because a MOBA just has so many different parts that I wouldn't even know how to best tackle it. Like this game is big in scope, but it's also downscalable a lot more than a MOBA would be. Um, yeah, one thing that will carry over is the inventory system. Okay, gotcha. Is it also going to be a horror game? Oh yeah, this is. I need also Hunger Max. Hunger Max. So Hunger Max is just that. Though, yeah, I guess I will keep these two here. So this is with stamina. This is for hunger, hunger, and hunger max. No, that other game is actually a cute 2D puzzle platformer. Oh, nice. I did not expect that. I did not expect to go from a horror game to cute 2D puzzle platform. But very interesting that it has a inventory system, a puzzle game with an inventory system. That sounds very interesting. Trying to think like if I know any other puzzle games with inventory systems that I've played. Yeah, I'm not sure. State, yeah. Slow delta. Oh wait, this actually works out pretty darn well. So if say you go idle for 10 minutes, you lose 600 stamina. Wait, that's too much. How long is a day gonna be in this game? I guess for testing purposes, that's fine. Like, why am I even overthinking that? Uh, okay, so right, I'm setting the state. I'm setting hunger, stamina. Good. Okay, that's all I need to do for this. Now, goals. Do I have any kind of goal? No, goals are a thing there. So for Juno, for now, I'm just gonna have Juno have the survival goal. Add element. Quick load. Data goals. Okay. So here, assets, data goals. Create new resource goal. Call it survival. Survive. Yeah. And base priority, this one's going to be pretty high up there. Oh, but that's problem. If it's on in the top there, topmost layer, I need it to run with everything, but I don't want it to hog up the attention. I need a second. Second category. Second tier of layers. Okay, let's just do that then. Its base priority is 100, so it is a second tier. Second tier goal. Like just it happens all the time. Also, way before everything else. So, guess first I need to modify my goal system. Woohoo! Default behavior. Top goal. Okay. Yeah, so we have the object goals. Now I need to somehow move over to the new system. Okay, so I'm going to leave the idea of having priority rings or priority chasms, I don't know, whatever I'm going to call it for another time. I'm just going to have goals and then important goals or something. Array of goals, and then I have another array of what are these going to be called? priority goals, ultra goals, top goals. Best goals. These are going to be the best goals. I do not know. I need to just get a move on. Let's name this best goals. And yeah, these are going to be the gold resources. So what do I do with the gold resources? I just assign them, and I guess I do everything in init goals. Yeah, init goals. In goal resources, goals dot goals dot pushback goal. Okay, so if goal dot priority is goal dot base priority is less than 100, we do this. Else object dot best goals push back goal. Okay, yeah, so we now have our best goals. Now if I go to default behavior, goals, run FSM. Right, and I guess right now I'm not going to have that many best goals, so I can just do where do I just call the thing? Oh, okay, yeah, so I still want. So I this is a bit of a spaghetti junction. Run FSM. Run goals. Checked. Current state delta. Run F7 FSM. Func run. Static func. Run goals. Object. Just copy this over. Run goals. Let's take this out. So this is all related to goals. This is all related to goals. This is all related to goals. This is still goals. This is still goals. That's state. Okay. Right. And then inside run goals, I do this. Okay. And then run goals is here. So why am I doing run goals inside of my state machine? Where is run FSM called? Here. Let's let's do something interesting. Let's do run FSM, run goals here. And now, so now I have all my goals run. Then the FSM. And I believe that's it. Will that work? Yeah, I think that should work. So let's try it out. Okay, yeah, I know what's wrong. Wait, attribute list. Could not resolve member scripts. Did I miss something here? No, what's right? What's the issue then? I started adding something here. What did I start adding here? Base unit slowdown. Slow delta, yes. Right. I only added the ending part, but somehow it's getting angry here. Okay. Oh, sorry. Something wrong with module base. Okay, that's why it was wrong. Okay, that's fixed. Current state not declared. Do you even need state? And state. No, you do not. Cool. Yeah, you don't need a state then. And it goes. No state for you. Base party. Okay, I don't get what's happening here. That other game is actually QTD. Yeah, okay, that's not what I was expecting. Did I add a goal? I guess I did add a goal. Wait, I added to Juno here. So base priority of 100. Yeah, let's remove it for now. Wait, no, but I didn't add it actually. I just made an empty goal. Oh, that's why. I guess I can just quick load. Survive, and hopefully it should just work regularly for now. G's get skipped. Picked up. Okay, yeah, still the same way. Good. Still works, I assume. Yeah, except now it's not lodged inside the finite state machine, which is good. Nice to have. I didn't really have to deal that much with that code, but it's at least now it's in a proper spot. So, speaking of proper spot, let's take a look at run goals and I guess extract this into hmm. Okay, I think that this could be inside the goal actually. Check progress, check conditions, run condition. I guess that could be something. Yeah, so top goal, top condition. Yeah. Hmm. So I guess all of this could be just goal dot run condition object top goal, and then inside goal I could have static func goal, oh, just to run condition object goal. Okay, and then have this here. So this is in spaces. Convert to spaces. Okay, and then instead of top goal, we just have goal. Yeah. Action index. What is action index? Okay, where do I need the top condition UID? Hmm. Top. I guess I can just set this one here. that. So top condition UID, I can set it inside run condition. So goal, run condition. Yeah, after all the calls. So then this becomes a var. Top condition UID, first call. Yeah, all of that gets passed. Data, first call. Then here, what's wrong here? Convert to spaces. Yeah, what's wrong here then? Could not parse global class condition. Okay. Okay, that's weird. Wait, what? Yeah. What's wrong with that? I have some errors. I think that's missing then. Delta not declared. Object delta float. Yeah. Okay, now it's all nice. And I think everything is still working. Refactoring success. Yes. Okay. I see it's working. And then run condition. Just run top condition. And what's wrong? Not save. But it's here. It's here. What? Oh, yeah. There we go. Made some mistakes. There we go. Everything is fine. Just to make sure. Yeah, everything looks fine. Now I want to finish this off. I guess yeah, just add the run top condition then I guess. If top goal, yeah, so here we are going through every top condition is not important, so we go best goals 0. Oh, just for goal index in object dot best goals dot size. Our goal, best goal, is a goal, and it's just that. Is that good? Why are you angry? Don't get it, don't see it. Technically this should be fine. It's not an indentation issue. Gonna parse condition. What did I change here? What did I change here? Expected type specifier. Int. That's what the mistake was. Okay. Makes sense. So best goal dot check conditions object goal best goal. Yeah, let's still get the priority is equal to that. To conditions. Well then, if priority is more than 100, priority is less than 100, we just continue. To do remove magic number. And I just do best goal dot run top condition, and I give it the object, the goal, and delta and best goal. Okay. Goal dot run top condition, and that is it. Priority is okay. Goal dot that. And I believe that's everything. So now we should have a survival thing. That goal has nothing, but I guess what I can track for the very end, since I am thinking of just ending it for today, is let's go add the class. So attribute list. It's gonna be 15 now. Stats. No count. Okay, let's reload the project. Juno stats. Okay, we have stats. Let's try see if they actually work as intended. X party key on the base object dictionary. Attribute list scripts attribute. Okay, I missed something. Yes, I did. Attribute stats preload stats. Oh, I have a stats. Module stats. What is stats? Is it used anywhere? I'm not sure, but okay, I guess that existed at some point. Okay. Yeah, no conditions. So I guess let's not have Juno. Can I make a quick condition? Juno goals. Yeah, let's just remove survive for now. I just want to see if stats actually work properly. So, Juno, you now have stamina and hunger, and it is ticking down. like once every second, and it has like a weird trailing bit, but that's fine. And I guess that's going to decide the resting for the next parts. So I think I'm going to call it here. Feeling a bit sleepy, so might just go do that a bit for an hour or two. There's progress, still a bit slower than I would expect, but hey, it is progress. And once this is done, I'm hoping once this is done, this is going to start making a lot more sense for like timers and such. That oh, I was just adding generic values for wait 4 minutes or wait 4 times or something, but now I can actually make it systematic, that it's tied to stamina and hunger and health, and hopefully it's just gonna remove some headache. Progress is progress. Yeah, yeah. Thank you for the encouragement. So yeah, thank you very much to everyone for watching. Thank you again, Final Turn, for the chats. Best of luck with your game and those small changes, and I'm looking forward to that little devlog teaser. Best of luck to everyone else to their projects, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.